Hey guys, it's Carrie the Paper Monkey. Thank y'all so much for dropping in today. We're going to do a quick Who Knew. Who Knew is a series that I created because I always said early on that I was the Who Knew girl because I knew nothing about junk journaling. Like, really, I knew nothing. And I probably know enough now to make me dangerous, but I've learned along the way. And I wanted to share with you guys who may be out there who are just like I was, exploring junk journaling, getting into it, just fascinated by it. I was all those things, and I still am. So I wanted to do a series where in 5 minutes or less, I try to explain some of these terms or tools or even some tricks that we may use in junk journaling to the newcomers and maybe not so newcomers. I don't know. Anyway, we're going to talk today about belly bands, tucks, and pockets. Because those terms, it just, like when you're just sitting there and you know nothing about paper crafting, you're just like, a belly band, what is that? So I have a visual to show you now. Listen, this journal, it's not done yet. Miss Hope, I know you're waiting on the flip through. Thank you for asking. I am going to eventually get finished with these Reader's Digest journals, and I'm going to do a real flip through for everybody. But for the purposes of today, I wanted to show everybody some visuals of belly bands, tucks, and pockets, okay? So when we open up this journal, we see a pocket. A pocket can be made from anything. Again, we're talking about a junk journal. You can repurpose or use any material that you choose. But a pocket is generally a pocket will have one slide in opening. Okay, and I know that gets a little confusing, but that's a pocket. All right, this is a tuck. It can have openings on all three sides. Okay, so it's just like this was actually a piece of wallpaper that I backed on cardstock. And I just glued down this part here to keep it secure to the page. And then that way I could tuck in a little journaling card. Okay. Now here is another tuck. But I call these up tucks because you're sliding up to put your journaling tag into a tuck. Okay. Now let's get to, where's my little belly band? Here we go. Okay. This belly band is another form of a tuck, but it's not because it's going to go all the way up and down or side to side. You can go either horizontal or vertical, but a belly band is basically just a place where you can slide ephemera or journaling cards in and out, whether it's up and down or side to side. That's a belly band. Okay. Now let's come to, because I thought I had a page. This would be considered a tuck because you're open on two sides. So that's a tuck. I had a page, I thought maybe over here. Yes, here. This is a pocket. This is open on one side. You're going to slide in your tag or your journaling card. This is a tuck because it's open all the way across. So you're tucking in. I hope that that's making sense. And really, all in all, does it really matter? I mean, I consider this a pocket because it goes all the way across and it's straight up and down. That's how I look at it. This is a tuck. Again, you're just tucking in, the motion of tucking in ephemera. If you seasoned junk journalers are out there watching this video, please leave a comment and educate us. Help us I'm going to tell you something. I'll be really honest with you. This series, I have fallen in love with this series, and I can't wait to do more and more of these, because in this series I get to have more interaction and have had more interaction with you guys in the comments than any other video I ever posted. And I love this part of it. So please feel free to leave us comments and let's dialogue about this. But basically, my 5 minutes are up. I'm a little over, but basically that is examples of belly bands, tucks, and pockets. Guys, thank you so much for dropping in again. And remember what I always say. I do hope that whatever it is you get to do today or in the next few days, it is at least as much fun as I'm having with this Who Knew series. Thanks, guys, and we'll chat soon. Bye.